Okay, welcome to Cavanna Packaging at PackExpo 2014 here in Chicago, Illinois. My name is Graham Nice. I'm sales and marketing for Cavanna here in North America. This year we are showing our latest 04 flow wrapper in a washdown execution. This machine has some interesting features on it that I'd like to show you today for washing and cleaning, for sanitary cleanup, and for running products in the meat and dairy industry, as well as sticky food products that require intimate cleaning. So this is the back stand of the machine. We have the film unwind, the splice. Inside we're feeding the products into the machine on a lugged conveyor. The film comes down, forms around the product, and here we have the longitudinal film sealing by fin wheels. In this execution we have 3 sets. The first set is cold set that pulls the film, and this set is actually cantable or tiltable, so we can pull the film down more as we need it. Then we have 2 heated sets, and then the fold over, where we fold the fin to the right direction before it goes into the cutting head. This is a rotary cutting head, 2 up, with a zigzag knife. One of the really unique features for Cavanna wrappers is this whole cutting head can be removed from the machine. We simply take out these guides and the conveyor here, the front guard, and then the whole thing is on a ball race, and then we have a little trolley over here we can wheel this whole head out. So this is actually not washed down in place, but when this is removed the whole machine is washed down. We have a discharge conveyor here where we can sense empty wraps, heat melted film, and we can eject those off here, and doubles. The whole machine is controlled from an Allen Bradley PLC, including Allen Bradley servos. This is a HMI for entering all of the product parameters, and then the actual machine control is from this little 4-button panel here, which is actually mounted on a stand for a coder. We don't have a coder here at the show, but this is ready to accept a date coder. Okay, this is a little vacuum package tester where we can test the integrities of the seals of a package. This one happens to be a vertical bag. It could equally be a horizontal form, fill and seal package. The great thing about this machine is we hook it up to the air right from the wrapping machine. There's no vacuum pump. It's done simply with a Venturi. So we simply place the package we want to test in the water bath. We turn it on. Here we are pulling about 10 inches of vacuum, and we look at the package to see if there's any bubbles. And as far as I can tell, it looks like it's surviving the test. So when we're done, we turn it off, evacuate the air, and we can then go ahead and test another package. So very inexpensive, no moving parts, no electrics, doesn't have to be hooked up to anything other than the air line right from the wrapper. This is our fully washed down pull nose belt feeder for low back pressure, non-contact feeding of all kinds of different products like cakes, sticky bars, anything where we don't want the products to physically touch on feeding before we get to the wrapper. So the machine is equipped with 2 servo-driven belts, and then a 3rd servo that actually drives a carriage that pulls backwards and forwards so we can set the gap between the products before it goes into the wrapping machine. This whole machine is stainless steel, wash-down construction. We use C members instead of enclosed frames, so there's no place for any build-up. And one of the really nice things about this machine is that it completely comes apart without any tools. So you can take this whole belt out in less than 5 minutes. These simply remove from the timing belt, again without any tools. We have registration marks on here so they go back in the same spot. All of the roller bearings are just into slots, and we have slots here for the nose rollers, so everything just falls right out once the belt's off of it. And then the belt simply comes off of the drive roller. It's cantilevered, so it comes right off the side, and then we simply roll up the belt, and as you can see, everything's wide open inside. You can get a hose in here and you can clean everything out. There really isn't anywhere for anything to hide, and it goes on pretty much the same way it came off. A little bit more time because I'm only a salesman, not a technician. Thank you for your attention. Once again, this is Graham Nice from Cavanna Packaging USA. For more information, please visit our website, www.cavanna.com, and we'll be glad to help you and respond to you with all of your flow wrapping and feeding needs. Thank you.